Hello everyone, I have not done a crafty video in a while, meaning a project share. I just have lost my mojo. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw that post. I'm still trying to get it back. It's not, you just have those moments when you just don't have the flow that you like when you're a crafter. So yeah, I'm still trying to get that back. So I decided that I would share with you today just like it's a quick tutorial. It's going to be quick. I'm not sure if you, this is an older, this used to be like, I would say at least 5-6 years ago. This was kind of a popular thing to do, where you would color your own dewdrops. You can make them any color you want, and that was kind of a thing, and it was actually really quick and easy to do. And we're going to do that today. I'm going to take some of these and we're going to recolor them a different color because I currently, they are just jar fillers is what they are, and I got them from Michael's 5 years ago. I used a 50 off coupon, so they were like $6 for an entire bag filled of them. At least 4 cups worth of these little dewdrops. And they were a lot of fun to color, and you can make them any color that you choose. Here is a little example that I put together. I just added a bunch of dewdrops on this little bow. It's this color right here, as you can see, and that is what they look like after you color them yourself. Now, I don't have a new bag of dewdrops. I have not been to Michael's in a while. I know that I'll probably look on Amazon for the dewdrops, jar fillers, and just grab them off of there. So that's probably what I'll do. Some of it is still wet, as you can probably see. But I just added a bunch of dewdrops and a little pink glittery flower in the center, and just for a little kind of a different bow. And the bow is from Pink and Main. So I'm just going to leave that set aside here, and let's get started. I'm going to add a few of these. Back in the day I had fun naming the dewdrops. That's what I used to do back in the day too. But I've also been doing some. So here is, just going to put a little bit in there. I've been recoloring these ones as well, because you can recolor even like these ones, you can recolor to a different color. So that's kind of what I've been doing, is just recoloring them to a different color that I need. So let me show you what you'll need. You'll just need some of these alcohol inks in whatever color you choose. I'm probably going to go with a pink. I know that they have more than this out there. So there is like a citrus, sailboat blue, purple twilight, wild plum, and for like Christmas colors there's watermelon, which I think I might have used. No, I don't think that. Let's see. There's even some pearl. You could try and like color it, and then if you want maybe like a pearl tone or even a matte tone, you could do that. So yeah, let's get started. So I think I'm going to, so I put just a few in my bag here, and I think I'm just going to play around and just see what color I make. So I'm going to add a few drops of this one, and this is the fun part, is you can play with these. And Let's see here. I'm going to put some paper down in case something drips. I'm going to add, I'll say 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a little bit more than 5 drops. And then let's add we're going to add a little bit of each. So this one was Purple Twilight, and I added 5 drops. Wild Plum, yeah, we'll add 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then let's just add 1 of the watermelon and just see what happens. Oh, I guess 2 of the watermelon. So what we're going to do is we're going to seal up the bag. Now this would be kind of fun for like a smushing technique with paper, which I'm sure has been done before. But we are just going to smush the gems, or the dewdrops, in with this, and we are just going to see what color we get. Now if you want to intensify it, you could keep going and add more, just add more color to it each time if you don't have the desired color that you want. So I want all of them to get in there. So they kind of went from this color here. Normally it would be clear, the jar fillers, and they call them dewdrops when they're colored, so you can have fun and put them on your project. So let's see what we made here. I think, ooh, that's a pretty bright purple. Oops, as they roll off. And then you can just let them air dry. Normally what I do, just put them on a paper towel, and then you can let them air dry like that. So let me find some paper here, and as you see, they are this really beautiful purple that you could totally use this color for Halloween as well. That's what it reminds me of, like a deep purple plum. And that's the fun of this, is you can totally make it any color you choose with the Tim Holtz alcohol inks. And they dry very quickly, so now you could pre-package them in a cute little bag, and they'd be fun for a Happy Meal and things like that, because no 2 colors are the same. So that is my little share, and I'll show you this bow one more time. This one is just using the pink one. It might be the watermelon. That one might be watermelon. So, you can do just one color and color one color if you like as well. So, but I just wanted to kind of share with you the fun of coloring them yourself. Definitely let them dry all the way. I'm sorry about that. They're watching A League of Their Own. So he's commenting on the part from the movie. So anyways, there you have it. I hope that was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.